Lay your hands over my eyes.
New season. New games. New adventures.
I'm sorry to say, you are broke.
And a new host.
It's only temporary, idiot.
Whatever. Enjoy the show.
Prepare yourselves, Chuck Bird is home.
Holy crap, man. Can you believe it's almost the end of September and we still haven't done a new Chuck Bird Plays video? It feels like forever.
Yeah, but the only problem is that we are lacking ideas of what game to play next, and it's making this show irrelevant. I think that's why we haven't done a new episode in a while.
True, but what game are we supposed to play for this video?
Sorgotorián simulator.
Hey guys. Guess what? Looks like we'll be having the end update after all. Just kidding, we'll never have one. Ha 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 ha.
Curse you, Mojang.
Trick or treat.
Excuse me? Do I know you?
Yeah, all of my hiatuses recognizes me. But anyway, it's Halloween, and I've come for some candies.
Actually, I think you have been mistaken. I'm clearly the one who wants candies, and you're giving them to me.
Wait. Oh hell, what am I doing? I messed it up.
The tables are turned.